In this video, we will make sure Auto Connect is turned on the Android side of the panel. This will help with connection stability while using the Collage app. Start by swiping up or using the Android overlay menu to switch to the Android side of the panel. We are now on the Android home screen. From here, we will select the Wi-Fi symbol in the bottom left corner of the panel. Hard press the Client ISD network, then select Forget. Select Client Visitor to connect to this network. The Guest Portal screen will appear. Select Enroll My Client ISD device, then select Connect for enrollment. Your panel will automatically return to the Wi-Fi options page and connect to the Client ISD network for you. This may take a few seconds. Once this is done, you can select the settings gear on the right side, select Advanced at the bottom, and see that the Auto Connect has been toggled to on. Open the Android overlay menu on the left or right side of the panel and select the Home button. This will return you to the Android home screen. From here, you can swipe up and return to the PC side of your panel.